11 years ago, winds howled and snow piled up across southeast Wisconsin. James Sowers was one of many truck drivers who got stuck.
This wind's pretty bad. It's pretty bad.
The snow started off light before snowfall rates ramped up as a strong low-pressure system barreled into the Midwest, creating blizzard conditions. From January 31st to February 2nd, 19.8 inches of snow fell, ranking third for the highest three-day snowfall. And Racine and Kenosha snow totals came close to 2 feet. Residents were left digging out for days.
I'm knee-high in snow. You know this is ridiculous. It looks like I'm in the trenches.
Today, no snow covering roads or sidewalks. Instead, snow is melting as temperatures rise above average.
It almost feels like spring.
The sun, knowing that it was going to be 40-something, and just I've been inside so long. So it's awesome to enjoy.
Today's sunshine and upper 40s is a stark difference from a decade ago, when outside was far from enjoyable. In Milwaukee, Dajia Swad, WISN 12 News.